How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Gamesir G7 SE to your Mac. Now, basically this controller is made for Xbox, but of course we could use the Bluetooth connectivity in order to connect it to our Mac right here. So on the back of your controller, it will simply look something like this. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your controller is set to Bluetooth mode, because there's two types of connection. There's going to be the USB dongle and the Bluetooth dongle right here. So just make sure that you switch it to the Bluetooth dongle, and in order to turn on the pairing mode at the bottom of the controller, there's going to be the pairing option right here, Bluetooth pairing. So just press on it and then the Xbox logo will blink, meaning it's ready to be connected. So from there, just head over to the Bluetooth settings of your Mac and you will be able to find the Gamesir G7 SE. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.